guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my most recent finds at the Dollar Tree. So please, before we get started, subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So this is a small Dollar Tree haul, but nevertheless, it is a Dollar Tree haul. So let's start off with my favorite find. I found this plaque here. It says, enjoy the little things. I thought this one was so cute. They had a few other types. I did take a picture for you guys. Stay tuned for that at the end. And it comes with a little hanger here. You could hang it or you could just sit it down on a table. I thought this was so adorable. For Christmas season and holiday time, they have all the little mini houses. They did have the post office, the hotel, and I think the other was just a house. I took pictures. I didn't get them because I just don't have space for all that. But what I did pick up was these white Christmas trees or winter trees. I thought these were so pretty. They have a little glitter sparkle in it. They had them in green as well and tons of figurines. I took pictures for you all. So I ended up picking up these Yes to Tomato face masks. I got these a while back where they were a sheet that you put on your face and you just had to wait like 10 minutes while it stayed on your skin. Now this one's a little different. You can see on the bottom, there's a bowl. I guess it opens up and pops into a bowl and you mix it up, and it's a clay one you put on your face. So I thought this would be great to give a try. And they also had it in the Yes to Coconut. So I picked up 4 of these as well, so I got 6 masks in total, and these are the same. It says here you mix it up in the bowl, and then it comes with something. You put it on your face and you wait 10 minutes. It says if you want a deeper cleanse, 20 minutes. And that's the same directions for both these packages. I also randomly picked up these cotton pads. These are great to take your makeup off with. In the automotive aisle, I picked up 2 of these towels for cleaning your car. I plan to do a DIY with this for winter. These are so soft, and I don't know if they're always there, so I just grabbed them while I saw them, and these are driver's choice microfiber cloths, so you could use them for cleaning your car or crafting. Moving along with crafting, I found some more glitter at the Dollar Tree, and if you go to Michael's, they're way more than $1, so I picked up 2 packages. This is light pink, dark pink, gold, and green, silver, and red. So I thought these were great to come across, and what's nice is they already come in a little container, because when you buy the cheaper ones at Michael's, they're in little baggies, and then you still need a container, because how else are you gonna store it? So glitter's a great deal if you see that at your Dollar Tree, for sure. And then I picked up some stickers also for crafting. I just thought these were really pretty with the purples and the light green colors, and they have like banners and other little types of decorative stickers on here, so I thought these were really cute. I also picked up these stickers here that say love and have other cute little decorations on them. I just thought that the detailing on these stickers were super duper pretty. These look like perfect for Valentine's crafting. And the last package of stickers I picked up were these family and home sweet home ones. Look how pretty the details are on these stickers. So that's it, guys. That sums up my Dollar Tree haul. I told you it was small, but it was small and sweet. I hope you enjoyed the items that I picked up. If you did, please comment down below what you liked most. Give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.